BuildIT software is a metrology solution for inspection and assembly. This video will showcase a workflow starting with the design phase with NX, through the inspection phase with BuildIT, to the Statistical Process Control phase with DPV Lite. Here in NX, we see the CAD model of the part we will be inspecting, the product manufacturing information, which are the GD&T tolerances that we see here, are specified in this model and will be imported into BuildIT. We also need to produce a JT file, which is the file format DPV Lite works with. Then we open BuildIT and import the NX file we would like to inspect. In the Import window, we have the option of importing GD&T. We make sure that this box is checked, and we click Import. Once imported, we are ready to start the inspection. For the first run, we will record a process. This will make all subsequent runs much more streamlined. We start the process by adding a device. In this case, we will be using the Ferro Edge, which has a laser scanner. So we add that device and connect to it. Then we align the device to the part. There are several alignment methods in BuildIT, but for this part and device combination, we will be measuring 4 reference points. This involves using our Inspect Fit Point command, which aligns the device as we measure the points. Once the 4 reference points are measured and we are satisfied with the alignment, we change from hard probe to laser probe. Using the Record Cloud command, we scan the required features. Once we finish measuring the part, we will process the cloud. All other points which are not needed for analysis are then deleted. Now, with the processed scan clouds, we can align to datum A, B, and C using the datum-based alignment. Once aligned, we associate this alignment to the ABC datum reference frame. Then we can perform the GD&T analysis. The results are shown in the annotations and in the message bar. Finally, we export the DML file and call it Green Model Run 1, and then we stop the process. Next, we will inspect the part again, but this time we will be using the process we just recorded. It starts by adding the device automatically and opening the Inspect Fit Point command. The user is prompted to measure the 4 reference points to be used for alignment. Once the points have been measured, the alignment is applied and we change from hard probe to scanner. Next, we scan the part. In this particular run, we stuck a piece of tape to simulate a defect on one of the features. In this case, the defect is found on datum A. Once the scan is completed, all the subsequent steps are done automatically. The cloud is processed, the GD&T is analyzed, and the DML file is exported. With surface deviation analysis, we can generate a color plot which shows the defect on datum A. This defect will be shown in DPV as well. Finally, we inspect the part for a 3rd run. Again, we run the same process and follow the same steps. In this particular run, the user skips a feature. In this case, the skipped feature is the hole. In BuildIT, you will see that its GD&T will not be evaluated. This missing measurement will be flagged in DPV as well. Now that all 3 runs have been completed, we will run DPV Lite. First, we open the JT file that we saved earlier when we were using NX. Then we click on DPV Reporting and Analysis, and then we click Query DPV Lite Database. We select the service and click Connect. This is a project that was already set up, so the tree structure is ready, and all we need to do is load the data into the database. In other words, we will take the measurement data, which are XML files generated by BuildIT, and we will drop them into the device folder of our plant, and if the XML files are loaded successfully, they appear in the Success folder. Now we return to DPV and right-click on BuildIT Routine and click Query Analyze Measurements and click Download. Then we display the annotations and customize each annotation to our preferences. Some of the elements we can show are run charts, tables, and histograms. The anomaly from Run 2 is shown on the model, and it has an annotation pointing to it. There's also an annotation which draws attention to the missing feature from Run 3. To learn more about BuildIT, visit our website at builditsoftware.com.